what the heck? It's a single slide door. Oh no, it's a 2-speed. That one's a single slide. That's very, and that doesn't come up here. Wait, what? This is very strange. That's Dover. This was a very late Dover mod. There's the view out. Penthouse elevator, we'll film that later. These are definitely gearless too, probably like 700 feet per minute. And these were originally Westinghouse. Makes sense. Yeah, there was a T-key hole in the lobby. Anyway, that will be it.